Hello, this is Dr. James Yowie, and you're in Business 271, Business Statistics 1. Real quick, I'm going to show you how to take the course. First thing you want to do is go to Begin Course here. Okay, uh, we are getting rid of the Respondus browser, so you will not need that. The syllabus is listed under the Syllabus tab. If you pop it open real quick, you will see that my office hours are listed here. Those will be changed in a little bit. On Wednesdays between 5 and 8 o'clock at night, 5:30 and 8 o'clock at night, there will be a homework session here at the Ford Center, room 120 computer lab. If you show up here between 5 and 8 o'clock, I think I said 5:30 earlier, you can work on any of your assignments, exams, quizzes, whatever. I'll be here to help you. So if you have any questions, that would be a good time to show up. You all can look at the syllabus. I don't need to tell you too much. But here you can see that the quizzes 1 through 10 are 20% of your grade. Exam 1, 2, and 3 are 15% each. Exam 4 is also 15%. And then there's case studies, which are 20% total. Okay, we do straight grade scale. Here's the schedule. Try and keep up with it. That's it for the syllabus. If you go here into course content, you'll see this is MindTap folder here. That's not for you. I'm getting rid of that. First thing you see are tables and study guides, case studies. You'll go there. The first one starts with chapter 2. So when you get done with chapter 2, go ahead and go in there and get the case study, pull it up. It's a Word file, tell you everything you need to know. Make sure you don't lose track of getting those done. If you go back here again to course content, scroll down, you can see I've got the course content chapters. Every thing is ordered by chapter. Open up the chapter. There are the PowerPoint slides. Review those. The chapter videos, there's quite a few of them. It depends on the chapter. Watch those, especially if you're having problems reading the material. And then finally, you have a chapter quiz. The chapter quizzes, some of them require you to use Excel. So there's no longer a Respondus browser on the quizzes, especially the ones that need you to use Excel. And if you go back to course content, the exam. The quizzes inside the chapter folders, you can take those as many times as you want, and I only keep the highest grade. You do have to wait 30 minutes after you take the quiz to take it again. Use that 30 minutes to study videos, PowerPoints, and in the book sections of the questions that you missed. The quizzes are meant to help you get ready for the exams. The exams are located in exam folders. The first exam is chapters 1 through 3. And if you look right here, oftentimes there are tables underneath the exams. Make sure that you print out or at least pull open the tables so that you have them to do the exam. You may not use your books. You may not use notes. You can have one regular sheet of notebook paper with formulas on the front to do the exams, nothing else but a pen, pencil, blank scratch paper, and your stat calculator. No internet or outside help. Okay, the first exam is chapters 1 through 3, then 4 through 6, 7, 8, and then 9, 10. I haven't got those exams posted yet, but they will become available as I get them finished. Now, if you have any problems or questions, the best way to get hold of me is a regular email, yoej@bellsouth.net. yoej@bellsouth.net. And I'll write that up on the screen for you. I'm terribly sorry. J. Yowie, my fault. At Gadsden State. syllabus.edu. That is the best way to get in touch with me. Make that nice so you can see it. joey@gadsdenstate.edu. It's also on your syllabus. Okay, if you have any questions, the best way to get in touch with me is a regular email. Usually first thing I do when I come in my office is check my email. You can give me a call on my phone. I'm really bad at answering phone messages. So if you call and I'm here, I'll answer it. If I'm not, please don't leave a phone message. Just send a regular email. And then do not use Blackboard for messages to me. I only use that for assignment turn-ins, specifically for your case with your class for the case studies. You'll send those in, write case study 1, 2, etc. on there, and send them to me on a Blackboard message. Attach them. Okay, thank you very much. I hope this video helps you. Goodbye.